Hello, my friend. Welcome back to another episode of BIM Shots. I am Puneet Thakre, the architect who is passionate about BIM and on a mission to help 100,000 architects and EC professionals reach their full potential with BIM. Today, we are busting another myth about BIM, which is BIM is too complex to learn. Okay, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me pose a question. Was becoming an architect a walk in the park? Absolutely not, right? We have all been through the grind. Those endless years of study, the all-nighters, the relentless pursuit of perfection in our designs. It was tough, challenging, but it was rewarding. And here's the thing, my friend. Anything truly worthwhile isn't going to come easy. The same goes for mastering building information modeling or BIM. I hear a lot of folks saying BIM is too complex to learn. But let's flip that perspective. When we say complex, what we are really talking about is something that requires effort, dedication, and a bit of elbow grease qualities that as architects we have in spades. So let me set the record straight. BIM is simple, but that doesn't mean it's easy. However, with a clear step-by-step process, learning BIM can be a lot manageable than you might think. Yes, BIM comes with its learning curve. But let's be honest, what doesn't? The key to making that curve less steep, it lies in how you approach it. It's about the resources you choose, the guidance you seek, and how the knowledge is presented to you. So find the right mentors and materials, ones that break down BIM into bite-sized, manageable steps, and you will see that it's not as daunting as it first appears. You know who I'm talking about. No, please choose your mentor wisely. And let's not forget, learning BIM isn't just about keeping up with the industry trends. It's about embracing a tool that can revolutionize the way we design, collaborate, and execute projects. Because BIM empowers us to build smarter, more sustainable, and more efficient buildings. Right. So to my fellow architects who might be hesitant about diving into BIM due to its perceived complexity, I say this. Yes, there will be challenges, my friend, but you have already proven you can overcome them. Just as you have mastered the art of architecture, you can master BIM. With the right approach, it's just a matter of when, not if. And remember, the most rewarding journeys often begin with the most challenging steps. Let's embrace the learning curve and see where it takes us. After all, we are architects. Overcoming challenges is what we do best. And that's a wrap for today's BIM Shot, my friend. If you found this episode insightful, don't forget to like and share it with your colleagues and friends. Stay tuned for more BIM insights. Remember, mastering BIM is just another step in your incredible journey as an architect. This is Puneet Thakre, signing off.